In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no audio device installed on Windows 11. Start by opening Settings. Press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. When Settings opens, click System in the left sidebar. On the right side, scroll down until you see Troubleshoot, then click it. Next, click Other Troubleshooters. In the list, find Audio, then click Run. The Audio Troubleshooter will open and begin scanning for problems related to sound on your system. Let it complete the scan. If any prompts appear on the screen asking for permission to make changes, click Yes or click Apply this fix, depending on what appears. Keep following the on-screen prompts exactly as they are shown. When the troubleshooter finishes, click Close. If Windows detects and fixes the problem, the speaker icon in the taskbar should return to its normal state. If the issue is still there, move to the next fix by restarting the Windows audio services. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run box. In the box, type services.msc. Say it naturally as you type it in, services.msc, then press Enter. The Services window will open, and this shows a full list of Windows services. Click once anywhere inside the list so the window is active. Then type Windows Audio on your keyboard until the Windows Audio service is highlighted in the list. Right-click Windows Audio, then click Restart. Wait a moment while the service restarts. Now look just below it for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, then click Restart there as well. Give it a second to complete. After both services have restarted, close the Services window. If the Windows Audio service had stopped or was not working correctly, restarting it should bring audio back right away. If you still see no audio device installed, the next fix is to update the audio driver. Right-click the Start button in the center of the taskbar, then click Device Manager. In Device Manager, find Sound, Video, and Gain controllers. Then click the arrow next to it to expand the section. You should now see your audio device listed underneath. Right-click your audio device, then click Update Driver. In the Update window, click Browse My Computer for drivers. On the next screen, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Make sure Show Compatible Hardware is checked. In the list, select High Definition Audio Device, then click Next. Windows will now install that driver. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Close. If Windows asks you to restart your computer, restart it when prompted. If updating the driver does not fix it, stay in Device Manager or reopen it the same way by right-clicking Start and selecting Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game controllers again. Right-click your audio device and click Uninstall Device. A confirmation window will appear. If you see the option, Attempt to remove the driver for this device, check that box. Then click Uninstall. After the device is removed, go to the menu bar at the top of Device Manager and click Action. In that menu, click Scan for hardware changes. Windows will now search for the missing audio device and automatically reinstall a fresh driver. Watch the list for the device to come back. If it does not reappear after the scan, restart your PC. During boot, Windows should detect the audio hardware again and reinstall the driver automatically. Once one or more of these fixes works, the main problem should be resolved. The new audio device installed error should be gone. The speaker icon in the taskbar should no longer show a red X. And when you click the speaker icon, you should see your audio output device listed normally. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To confirm everything is working, play any audio or video on your computer and listen for sound. If audio plays normally, the issue has been fixed.